Hello friends, welcome to Dev's Coding Hub. Hope you are doing well. I have already published 7 videos in our HTML playlist. Now this is the 8th video of the playlist. So let's start with quotation and citation elements.
Now let us move to the quotation and citation element section. The first element we'll be using is ABBR. It defines an abbreviation or acronym that will be displayed with some dotted underline. The next tag is address tag. It is used to display postal addresses, and all these addresses within the address tag, opening and closing, will be displayed in italic form. Then we have block code. Block code always displays indented text. That means the text will be shifted from the left margin. So it will be an indented text, as I have shown you here in this example. Next one is Q. It is used for giving quotation mark. The next topic is about the element cite. It is called citation. It defines title of a creative work and it is displayed as italic text. The last one is video or bi-directional override. This element is used to write from left to right, which is default, and also right to left. Suppose if I want to write Arabic in a website, I have to start from right and move towards left.
For this we need to use the dir attribute, which stands for direction, to change the direction from right to left, and the value of the dir attribute should be set to RTL.